I'm gonna be testing out a new product from the brand Thrive. I've never tried anything from this brand. I know their mascara is super hyped. I wish they had a waterproof version of it. Maybe they do and I don't know about it, and I would definitely try it. But this is the Thrive Infinity Waterproof Eyeshadow Stick. This costs $26. I love this color. Isn't it beautiful? This comes in 4 different shades. This one is in the color NIKKI, which is a blush gold shimmer. Come like with a, I guess well, this comes out, but let's see if I can take this off here. I don't know why it's not coming off, but I guess this is meant for you like to blend out the product. There we go, like a little sponge. I don't know if you use that or not, but here's our color NIKKI. Let's see how much product you get. Nice amount of product. Let me know if you are into eyeshadow sticks. I really don't use them a lot. I don't know, I've never bought them. So I'm gonna just go ahead and prime my eyes. It says is creamy, easy to use, mistake-proof formula, glides on seamlessly for an easy application. That's what I'm going for today. Like, I've reviewed so many different products. I just want to do like something quick on the eyes. If you're in a rush, this could be really good. Semi-permanent micro pigments. To use, swipe across lids and blend with fingertips or blend with the built-in sponge for an effortless eye look that won't budge until you're ready to remove it. Waterproof, smudge proof. That's interesting. So this is what I'm going to do. One eye I'm going to prime, and the other I'm just going to use this and see if it really doesn't crease, if it stays on all day, if the color looks different. So I'm going to use this Too Faced Shadow Insurance 24-hour eyeshadow primer, and it has blue light defense. Just prime this eye here. I have some hair on the way. Just going to prime my eye. Just blend that out really quick. Okay, so while this dries, we'll go ahead and start applying the product on this eye. I'm just gonna start gliding it on. A color like this is like super light for me. I feel like it washes me out, so I would definitely, for me, try to go on with like one of the darker shades, or maybe 2 different ones, a light one and a darker one, just so like I can like try to do like a smoky look. But this is great. Maybe if you just want to add something really quick for the beach, maybe just like a one color all over the lid. I'm trying to work it up higher just because I always apply my shadow higher. I'm putting a really nice amount, and let's see how easy it is to blend, at least with the finger. Okay, yeah, it is blending really nicely. So if it's something that you're in a rush and you're like, oh, I just want something really quick, I think this would work amazing, as long as you find the color that you would like. And this color is so light that I feel very comfortable like putting it all over my lid. Like, this is basically not even like showing up for me. Just looks like a little bit, like just a little bit of something here. What I want to make sure is with my oily lids that this is not going to crease throughout the day, you know? And maybe what I can do is add like a little bit of this new highlighter that I just got, like to the inner corner, like to brighten it up a bit. It does feel like it's drying. It was super easy to use, which, very nice. Here you go. I will put it here to swatch it just so you can see what the color looks like. Okay, that's what the color looks like. I'm just getting close here so you can see. So it's very nice. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply it here. I will use the sponge as well here just to see how well it works, if it blends nicely. But I'm just going to apply this. I'm going to bring it out a little bit more. I'm just scared of it breaking. But there you go. I'm applying this pretty easy. And I'm bringing it higher. You don't have to. I just want it all over the lid. It's so light. And I'm just going to use this to blend. Maybe you don't want to use your finger at all. And that's okay. I feel like I like to blend it out with the finger better. That's just me. I guess the warmth of your finger helps. But it's up to you. You have options. Or maybe you want to use one of your brushes. So yeah, I just like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a bit more and just use my finger here. So you know what? I feel like this one without this particular primer is letting me blend easier. Okay, I guess because you know the primer is gonna like set everything in place and the product is just gonna grip onto it, which is great. But for something like this, as of now, I like it without the primer. Now, I will have to update you guys in the comments if they wore differently, if this one creased, knowing that we don't have a primer. For me, it does everything it says. I wish they had more like options of colors, but they do have several that I would like to try. It's gonna take a highlighter really quickly. I did review this one on my channel. This one is just from Ofra. I'm just gonna take a little pencil brush and just like apply a bit of highlight here. So I really want my eyes to like look awake. Okay. You guys watch me, you'll know that I usually need like a little bit of darkness on my eyes, at least in the outer corners, because like I said, I feel like I get washed out. Talking about the product itself, I think it works great. It blended really great. I've been trying out several like liquid eyeshadows. I don't know, I really like that formula. Some were very hard to blend and some were really easy. Like the Kosas one, really love that one. Really love that liquid shadow. There's another one that I just tried, which I still haven't made a video for. That was a bit hard to blend. So, pretty excited to have tried something from this brand. It looks very beautiful. Let me know if there's anything else from them that you recommend. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!